Welcome to the High Reset Pro channel. Today I will show you how to install a custom ringtone on the ZTE Blade A36. So first of all, open settings by pressing the little settings shortcut here, or if it's not there, scroll down from top to bottom and press this little button here. In settings, scroll down to sound and vibration, it's right there. And in this section, scroll down a little to the phone ringtone section. Now choose the SIM card you're using, or just change both. I'm gonna pick SIM 1. And here you can choose from a bunch of different pre-installed ringtones, or choose the one you have on your device. Go to the music section and select the audio file you've downloaded or recorded. Once you selected it, please.
You have a call.
Then press OK. Now you have a custom ringtone. Thanks for watching, subscribe to the High Reset Pro channel for more videos, leave a like, leave a comment, and goodbye.